Did you know that AI tools have revolutionized song creation, enabling anyone to produce a viral music video in less than 30 minutes with your favorite artist? This channel pulled it off, gaining over 5 million views and 44,000 subscribers in a month. I did my research and discovered that this channel is monetized and makes $5,000 to $20,000 a month. No songwriting, no composing, and no video editing skills required. Intrigued? Stick with me and I'll show you exactly how I created the video you're watching right now, step by step.
There's a longing deep inside my soul, a thirst that only you can make whole.
Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll see how easy and fun it is to do this yourself using free AI tools. If this excites you, give this video a like, and if you are new here, subscribe for more amazing content like this. Let's dive in. Let's start with the most important part, the song idea. And for that we've got ChatGPT to help us out. Here's how it works. Log into ChatGPT, type in this prompt, give me 10 ideas for gospel worship R&B soul songs. In seconds, ChatGPT gives us a list of creative ideas. For this video, I'm picking the third option, Open Heavens. Now we have our song idea. Easy, right? Let's move on to writing the lyrics. Writing lyrics is usually tough, but with ChatGPT, it's a breeze. Here's what I did. I typed in this prompt, create lyrics for the song titled Open Heaven, from the above list. And just like magic, ChatGPT generated a complete set of lyrics, verses, chorus, and all. Take a look at this. Isn't that awesome? Feel free to tweak the lyrics if you want to add a personal touch. Once that's done, we're ready to turn these words into music. This is where Suno AI comes in. Here's the step-by-step guide. Click the link in the description to head over to Suno AI. Log in with your Google account. Once you're on the homepage, click on Create. Enable custom mode by switching it on. Paste the lyrics we created into the text box. Set the style to Gospel Worship R&B Soul, title to Open Heavens, and select V4. Click on Generate and wait a few seconds. And just like that, Suno AI gives us 2 versions of our song. Let's listen to them.
There's a longing deep inside my soul, there's a longing deep inside my soul.
Wow, how amazing is that? Now I'll download my favorite version. When choosing, consider which one best matches the mood or theme of your song. Think about the energy, tone, and overall vibe you want your audience to feel. Once that's settled, we're all set for the next step. If you're loving this process so far, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications for more amazing tips. Here's where it gets really exciting. Want your song to sound like your favorite celebrity? Musicfy can do that for you. Here's how. Head to the Musicfy website using the link in the description. Sign in with your Google account. Choose your favorite artist's voice. For me, it's Rihanna. Who's yours? Let me know in the comments. Upload the audio you downloaded from Suno AI. Select Remove Instrument so Musicfy can focus only on the vocals. Click on Generate, and in seconds, you'll have your song in your chosen artist's voice.
There's a longing deep inside my soul.
Incredible, right? If this excites you, hit that like button. It really helps the channel reach more creators like you. Now let's move on to the next step, generating visuals with Leonardo AI and Piclumen. First, I'm creating a prompt to generate images for each scene in my song, and I'm asking ChatGPT to handle that for me. Just copy the visual prompt in the video description and paste it. Include your song lyrics and click on Enter. Just like that, ChatGPT gives me all the prompts. Easy, right? Now let's create stunning visuals for our video. For this, we'll use 2 AI tools, Leonardo AI and Piclumen. Go to the Leonardo AI website, link in the description, and sign in with your Google account. Paste the first scene prompt into the text box. Select Flux or Phoenix mode for high-quality results. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9, perfect for YouTube. Click Generate and watch the magic happen. Head over to Piclumen, link in the description, and log in. Paste the same scene prompt as before. Choose the 16:9 aspect ratio and the number of images you want to generate. Click Generate, and Piclumen will create your visuals in no time. With these two tools, you'll have more than enough visuals for your video. Feel free to experiment with different prompts and styles to make your video unique. This can help spark ideas and ensure your video stands out. Now that we've created all the visuals, let's transform them into stunning animated videos using Kling AI. This step will bring your project to life. Here's how to do it. Head over to the Kling AI website, link is in the description, and sign in with your Google account. Once logged in, click on Image to Video and select the 1.6 version for the best results. Upload your first image and type in a simple prompt like, animate, zoom in slowly to add dynamic movement to the video. Click Generate, and Kling AI will create an amazing video from your image. Repeat this process for all your images, and in just a few minutes, you'll have a series of stunning video clips ready to use. How cool is that? Now, let's move on to the editing phase. Finally, let's put everything together using CapCut. Here's how. Open CapCut and import your music and all the generated images. Arrange the images on the timeline scene by scene. Adjust the duration of each image to sync with the music. Add transitions between scenes. Mix works great, but feel free to explore. Add keyframes for a dynamic effect. Scale the image slightly at the beginning and end. Enhance the video with effects like rain or dark clouds if they match the mood of the song. Use the auto caption feature to add the song's lyrics. Select your preferred caption template. Take your time with this step, as it really brings the video to life. When you're done, click on Export. Before you watch the final result, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who loves AI tools. Let me know in the comments what kind of video you'd like to create next.
There's a longing deep inside my soul, a thirst that only you can make whole. I lift my hands, my heart, my cry. Lord, let your presence fill the sky. We're waiting here in awe of you, our hearts wide open, breaking through. Let your spirit fall like rain, wash away the hurt, the pain. Open heavens, pour out your grace. Let your glory fill this place. Reaching higher, seeking your place. Open heavens, show us your embrace.